What's up, people? Charles here, and I thought I just did a video, but it didn't show up in my file. So, but I basically already I already served my ads, and I'm 945 BAPs away from being in group 5. So on tomorrow's video, I will be hitting group 5 tomorrow. And group 5, the earnings is $2.70. So now I think it's gonna start snowballing a little more now, because be earning a little bit more, but we'll be losing a lot more BAPs now, because each level you lose more and more of the bonus ad points. But usually it's enough to cover what you're losing. So I think it'll work out pretty good. But I will be hitting group 5 tomorrow. And my goal is to get to group 12, and I'm pushing to do that before the year's up. And as you can see, she's done paid out over $650,000 so far, and there's been 3 million, almost 4 million ad visits delivered. And then how it works, this is the first thing you wanna go in here and read and learn how everything works before you decide to start buying your advertising. Go on here and learn how it works, because a lot of people join something and then they think that whoever they joined up under is going. I mean, I'm a help, but it's only so much help you can give. You're gonna have to go in, because this is gonna be your business. I can't build your business for you. So you're gonna have to go in here and learn, and then you're gonna have to come in here and build your business up. So you have to come in here and learn. And that's not being harsh or anything, but if it's things that I can help you with, I will. But I can't build your business for you. Oh, my bad, because it logs you out when you go to certain places. But as you can see, I will be hitting. This is my last day earning $1.32, which don't seem like a lot to people, but in some of these third world countries, that's a lot of money to them. So this might not be a lot to you, but to people in India and all those third world countries, $1 USD is a lot of money in their currency. But that's basically it for this video, because I already had went through everything in the other video, but it didn't show up. So I came back and did another video, because I'm doing a video a day for 90 days. This is my 90-day blitz for Myaddsup. So if you're new here, like, subscribe to the channel, share this video if you know somebody that likes pay-to-click sites, and I'll leave my link in the description. You go in, create a free account, and see if it's something that you like. If not, it's still good. Like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.